close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Yeah. You have to stick this one out, kid. They don't like pretty puppies at Volcano Bay. Sorry. I know. You should have puppies at Volcano Bay. It'd be great. It'd be great. Let's go inside. Come on. Let's go. Alright, you just want to play. Don't go to Volcano Bay. Stay with me.
Hi guys!
So where are we going?
So we are on our way to Volcano Bay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a really nice sunny day here in Florida. Probably won't be in a couple hours. It'll probably be really bad thunderstorms in a couple hours. But we're on our way to Volcano Bay because tomorrow is Corey's birthday. We're doing like a pre-birthday celebration. And yeah, just want to take you guys along and show you guys how great Volcano Bay is.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Got our tapu. Wonder what we do with those. Do we tap them?
This is what you scan to get on the ride. You gotta tap it and it holds your wait time on here. Your little tapu. Skin protector. Has to have to.
For sure. So you've got our spot.
So crowded here since summer, but
Yeah, summertime. But what do you think is first? Because they're doing the music for the big wave pool right now.
I don't know. What do you think they're doing? That's stupid.
Yep, for sure.
Stupid little cat.
And they're doing it. All right. Well. Was it a 110-minute wait?
Yeah.
And it's literally just this little slide right here. You walk up these stairs, go down here,
You drop like 9 feet.
and you're there. 110-minute wait. But it's a virtual wait, so you tap in and then you're done.
Yeah, so I didn't realize it's 100 minutes.
Yeah.
Actually feels really good.
Yeah.
The water feels good. I'm coming. There you go. look so stupid in this thing. There we go. So we're in the rapid river right now, and you have to wear a little floating. I'm gonna hit this wall. Ow. Okay, so we're in the rapid river. I actually really love rapid river. It's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun when you're not trying to hold a camera. Going under the volcano. With the slides in the lifeguard. Slides in the lifeguard. Little slides.
Fun fact, he just lost his sunglasses in here.
Oh,
or
my
his eyeglasses.
eyeglasses. Jeez.
And he found them.
Yeah, I standed around. I standed around. I stood around at the exit of the, what was it, Lazy River?
Yeah.
And just kind of stared at the ground for like, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes.
You
And I
found them.
saw them swim on past me, so I dove down and grabbed them.
Yeah, thank God. Woo! They're expensive.
Yeah, they're very expensive. An ugly transition.
And he needs them to see, so.
Yeah, I'm blind without these things, so
Yeah.
I'm glad I found them. Time for food.
Time for food, yes. Food before drinks, so I don't pass out. So we waited 20 minutes.
No,
just
after cashing out.
after cashing out to get our food, and
It's 2:55.
we checked out at
We
what?
checked out at 2:23.
Yeah, and they
So
only
30
had
minutes.
one person working behind this like food counter that we were at. She didn't know what she was doing. She was by herself. And when I first got this bowl, because I got the Polynesian rice bowl, it was just meatballs with rice and one thing.
And a
of
pineapple ring from the sandwich.
And he went back and was like, "That's not how it's supposed to look." And so the other girl was like, "I'm gonna remake it for you." Thank gosh. It's gonna be good. It's been forever. Let's see.
Good.
Done.
This is a cold chicken sandwich. Nothing amazing about it. So these are all the private cabanas.
Freaking $600.
$665 private cabana. Come on. Come on. Get in the water.
It's gold. It's so gold.
You cold?
Yes.
Why?
It's cold. You tell me why.
Because of that. Right there. That is why it's cold. Because all the water gets aerated, gets freezing, and then comes down and fills this thing. So the water in the wave pool is freezing cold.
Hang on. The silver picture is flashing one more time.
You're in a wave pool.
I know. Lazy River feels so much better.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the lazy river is like bathwater. But this thing, this crazy thing, freezing. Freezing.
Florida.
It's black and about to storm. Yay, Florida! So we're gonna head over and do the lazy river before this crazy storm makes it so where no one can go in the water. Here's the regular lazy river, not the rapid river.
Yeah.
The nice little tubes and stuff. And you don't have to wear life vests. Not required. You almost wet?
No. It's like bath water, but it feels good.
Way hotter than that ice cold water that they have on the volcano.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna we'll come back here again for you guys and actually show what's going on the rides as best as possible.
Well, we can't.
We can't film.
They don't allow filming on any of the slides. So
no.
The only thing we can film is the lazy river.
Yeah.
We're not gonna try and sneak it because we pay for annual passes.
Yeah.
We don't want anything to get revoked or changed or altered or anything.
Yeah.
We're just gonna abide by the rules and do what we can do.
Yep. The weather is getting a little cloudy right now, so we can tell that a thunderstorm is honestly rolling in.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
It's gonna be crazy here in probably about an hour.
Yeah. Oh, my feet, my feet. But yeah, now we're just enjoying the lazy river. Like I said, we'll come back here when it's dead. It's gonna get dead, honestly, like in September, I want to say. We'll keep coming back here when we have the permanent passes, so we'll be here all the time. We're gonna take you to other water parks and stuff. Yeah. Alright, so we got off because there was like tons and tons of people that were literally pushing everybody out of the way, trying to make one long cohesive train for the lazy river, and I was like, you know what? You can't relax in it.
What is it when you do it like at a wedding or something?
Yeah, like they do like a conga line. But they're doing a giant conga line. Which is cool, but they were all screaming and yelling, and I was just like, I just want to relax. Yeah. And so we decided just to get out and go relax.
It's gonna rain anyways. They're already yelling at them with the what do you call it? With the whistles.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head over to Dancing Dragons, which is a outdoor bar.
We're gonna go enjoy our bar.
Yeah, very fun.
Yep. So it rained, and because it rained, everybody left, and that made every single ride except for the coaster ride now. So we literally did everything within like an hour, not even.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was really cool. Yeah, and it looks kind of cloudy again, like over that way. It looks kind of cloudy again, but beautiful sunset that's going to happen here, and I definitely recommend if you guys get a chance. If you live in Florida and you know you're going to come to Volcano Bay, come after 4 o'clock. More than likely, all the rides are going to be right now, and you guys can do everything within 2 hours. Seriously.
Yeah, even we went and grabbed a drink, and the bartender was like, yeah, you can do this entire park in 2 hours as long as it's slow. Which is awesome.
Which is really slow right now. Everything's right now.
So throughout the park, they have these interactive little points where you take your tapu and you mark it on things, and stuff happens. Tap to that thing. And there you go. Little interactive things throughout the park. They've got some others that we can go check out. Pretty cool.
Somebody took their water bottle and filled it up with this water and started drinking it.
Yeah.
So gross.
I'm pretty sure that this water right here is from that pool right there. Maybe not. I could be wrong. But they literally tapped it
filled up their water bottle to drink out of.
So gross.
Yeah, doesn't make any sense. Here's more of these interactive tapu points. You just go up to that center podium and get these fish to start spinning and those little totems to start shooting out water. These slides are pretty cool. Curl around nice and slow. When you come out, the green one is going to be a 4-foot drop and that purple one's a 6-foot drop. And you drop down all the way down into that 10-foot pool. Also pretty cool is they take a picture of you right over here. So later on you get to see the stupid face that you made. How was it?
It was good.
Look what happens when you wait until everyone leaves. Everything is ride now. Perfect. What's this called? Here's the racer slide. I want to say what they all come down together, right? Right up there, and then they come down over this way. We can't actually do this, or at least I can't do this anymore because they actually just changed the weight limit to
150 pounds. If you exceed 150 pounds, you can't do this ride, which eliminates a lot of people. It's not, that's not fair.
Originally it wasn't that way, but maybe there was an issue with people. Honestly, they probably, because that's not a very long runway. If you look at the one at Blizzard Beach, they have that huge runway. Like once you stop, you have that long distance.
Yeah.
They don't really have that here, so that's probably why. If I went on that thing, I'd probably max out all the way into the wall.
So this is the Dragon Aqua Coaster. This literally is the longest wait in the park right now. It's 50 minutes, and normally it's like 150. It's cool.
Well, this isn't. This is the Rapid River. But this
It's cool.
is the Aqua Coaster.
In there,
Just going on right there.
in there. Are you inside the volcano in there? They have the body plunge, and then they had the serpentine slide. We did the serpentine slide, and it's a 125-foot drop, but like you're going around in a circle the whole time. And then the body plunge.
You can see it right there. You do the free fall, and then you do the twist. So that's like the light blue and the light green.
And then the body plunge is a 125-foot straight drop. Just whoop. No way. I'm good.
I'll do it, but maybe not today.
Yeah. Alright, so this is the Tonka and Raki ride. There's never a wait. This is always right now. Always right now. They're cool.
This is where everyone goes in to ride the Aqua Coaster. The only thing in this park that actually has a wait.
25-minute wait. 25 minutes right now.
25?
Yeah.
It was 50 earlier. You can tell everybody's leaving.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Alright, so I hope you guys like our vlog. We're now here at the very end of the night. They're about to tell everybody to get out because it's about to be 9 o'clock soon and they're closing up. And I had a really great day.
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys really like this vlog. Sorry for the audio if it's like really quiet. The iPhone doesn't really pick up the best video quality. Like it picks a great video, but audio kind of shitty. Right?
Yep.
Yeah, so we really hope you guys like this vlog. We're gonna have a camera soon, and yeah, this was our fun day at Volcano Bay. Like I said, sorry we couldn't take you guys on the ride. Hopefully next time we'll be able to take you guys. We'll find some footage.
For sure.
But Hope you guys like this vlog. We had a great time. I had a great time.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, love you.
Really good.
Hope you guys enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.
And on